Alright, this is the President Michael back. Filming more of these giant birds. Almost look like a big turkey. If anybody knows what kind of birds these are, please put it below. Yeah, look at them foraging for grub. Sorry for the jerkiness. Just can't keep it steady when you zoom in. We're at Bok Towers. It's September 15th, I think. Yeah, it's September 15th. It's almost 4:37 in the afternoon. Of course, it looks a lot darker than that because it's storming now. It's raining. So they're just going about their business. Eating, foraging, pooping. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Sorry about the jerkiness. Hopefully I can fix it when I upload it. Darn it, I'm trying to keep it steady. Wait a minute, okay, it's gonna be really jerky for a minute. They have like some sort of tail or something coming from the front. You see that, everybody? Let me zoom away. There. Just can't keep it steady. But that's some of the giant birds here at Bok Towers. I haven't seen these kind. As I mentioned in the other video, I thought they were sandhill cranes, but they're not. I'm not sure what they are. Try to get a little closer. Shoot, I just can't keep it steady. Alright, forget it. I'm gonna zoom away. Let's see, I have to do that. Should we try to get a little closer? I'll try to get a little closer. Now it's gonna be a little jerky when I'm walking, everybody. Nothing I could do. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's gonna be really jerky. There. I'll zoom away till yeah, sorry, I'm gonna get a little water in the lens. Whoops. I know. Alright. Look at that. It looks like a turkey. I can't zoom in without shaking too much. I should have the tripod with me. This is National Geographic type material. Now if you know the name of this bird, please put it below. It looks like a turkey almost. See that vulture-like head. Can't be a vulture though. I've seen vultures, they're a lot uglier. This is like the neck's blue and the head's red. I'm going to have to quit soon, it's starting to rain more, but I want to show you this. We'll go to 5 minutes and I'm going to quit. Alright, well, we're at 5 minutes. I'm going to quit now. This is the President Michael, and this is Bok Tower Gardens. February 15th, 2013. It's around 4:40 in the afternoon. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to film and show you many more to come. Alright. Bye, YouTube. Bye.